guys, what's up? It's Destiny, and today I'm doing my very first VEDA. So I've been kind of wanting to do this for a while. I think since sometime last year when I first started like really hearing about VEDAs and seeing like other YouTubers do them, I just thought it was a really cool concept to just really like kind of bust your butt and see if you can crank out videos every single day for a whole month. So I feel like for me this is something that I feel like is almost a long time coming, because I've kind of been on YouTube for a while. During the holiday season I was cranking out 3 videos a week, and during various times of the year I've kind of fluctuated between 1 and 3 videos a week. So I think it'll be really cool to kind of push myself, see what I'm made of a little bit, and see if I can crank out 7 days a week, 4 weeks, a whole month. So I'm really excited about that. I really have a lot of content planned for you guys. I'm not just winging this. I really want this to be a productive time for both me and you. I want this to be an enjoyable time. I want to let you guys kind of in on my life and kind of what's going on a day-to-day basis, kind of let you guys know more about me, as well as kind of take you guys on some events with me. As you guys know, BeautyCon is this month for those who live in LA, as well as I have a boss's brunch that I'm going to, and a couple other events. So I feel like I'm just really excited to kind of let you guys in on that journey with me, vlogging every day, really hustling it out every day, hanging out with me, my friends, and my family, just some cool stuff. So I actually spent the last, I want to say 2 weeks or so, really planning out what I want to do for each video. Not saying that it's not going to be spontaneous, but I just kind of gave myself some parameters. That way it's a little bit easier to follow. That way I stay on my upload schedule, because I feel like one of the worst things that could happen is you get all excited about doing VEDA, and then within like 3 or 4 days you just completely fall off, or like within a week or 2 you just completely fall off. So I want to make sure that I stay consistent. I want y'all to keep me accountable. I'm going to be giving you guys updates. I don't know if you guys know this, but on YouTube you can do like actual like text posts now with like clips or GIFs or GIFs. I always pronounce that wrong. Boomerangs, whatever else, kind of like on Facebook a little bit. So over the past, I want to say a couple months, I've been trying to upload those to kind of let you guys know what's going on with me, let you guys know when I have a new upload and that sort of thing. So I'm going to try to post on there consistently, maybe once or twice a week, just asking you guys, you know, what do you guys think of the VEDA so far? And so that you guys can kind of help keep me accountable, because I really want this to be like, I don't know, I just want to get closer to you guys. I want you guys to get closer to me, know me a little bit more, because I feel like a lot of the time when I'm talking on this channel, it's a lot of like tips and tricks and reviews and stuff like that. And I do have other vlogs, so for those of you that are just like, okay, is this your very first vlog? No, it is not my very first vlog. I actually have a series called the Hustle Grind series, and that series specifically is me being in the entertainment industry, me kind of like hustling my way, me networking, me and my friends that are in the industry. Some of them you may know because you've seen them multiple times on this channel. So people like Paula, people like Solaire, and other people that I've kind of had in there a little bit. Those vlogs are really cool, but most of them are kind of structured around me going to things like Fashion Week, going to music industry events, networking mixers, and that sort of thing. So definitely cool vibe, but I feel like there's like a specific niche of like people on my channel that like really watch those, and they watch those in kind of like my industry tips videos. And then I feel like there's a whole bunch of you guys that kind of go towards more of like my skincare, my self-help videos, and that kind of arena. So I really wanted to do this VEDA kind of like as a way to bridge the gap between that space. That way you guys can get more of like my daily life, what it's really like kind of kicking it with me on a regular basis, chilling and talking to you guys about kind of what's going on in my life, versus those vlogs that are like very more like industry tailored for those people. So these are kind of like my everybody vlogs in a way. And if you're one of my skincare people and you want to go and watch those, you know, go right ahead. You know, I really love that series. I really put a lot of time and effort into those vlogs. As you guys can see, it's not just like me walking around with the camera, you know, talking to people. You know, I really try to be really good on my B-roll. There's times where I'm like actually interviewing people, talking to them, asking them questions. I have clips from fashion shows and all sorts of stuff. So sometimes I'll even have multiple cameras with me depending on what's going on. So I really put a lot of effort. And those videos, I feel like they take me hours and hours to film, and then I narrow it down to like maybe between 8 and almost 20 minutes. So definitely more longer scale vlogs, definitely a lot more work, production, post-production and stuff kind of put into those. So if that's more your style, watch those. But for those of you that are kind of like my renegade group, you guys just want to like peer into my life and not have it be so fancy schmancy. These are gonna be my vlogs for you. So I want to challenge myself. For those of you also, I know there's people that are subscribed to me that are YouTubers. So if you are a YouTuber and you're subscribed to me and you're doing VEDA, comment below, let me know. I would love to check out your channel. I would love to see kind of like what you're doing on a daily basis. Keep each other accountable. I need an accountability partner because I feel like this is going to be like the hardest YouTube thing that I've ever done, and I'm really, really excited about it. So I look forward to you guys watching my vlogs. So this is officially day 1. So I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow and the day after that and the day after that and the day after that. All right, guys. So like this video if you want to see more. I'll be posting more as usual because it's VEDA. And make sure to do well and be well, and I'll see you later. Bye.